Hello and welcome back to Alyena's Kitchen, where today we're going to be making a super easy and delicious homemade strawberry jam. I love to put this jam on my toast in the morning or on some ice cream at night. It's just so tasty, so let's get started. To make our strawberry jam, one thing you are going to need is a saucepan and your burner, as well as 1 pound of fresh strawberries with the tops, the green part, cut off. And I'm going to be adding this into my saucepan and turning the heat to medium. And I'm also going to be adding in my sugar at this time. I have 1 cup of sugar, but if you like your jams a little bit sweeter, you can add in 1.5 cups. Now we are just going to cook our strawberries and sugar mixture until it reaches a boil. The next step is optional, but I always like to add in the zest of 1 lemon to my jam, as well as some lemon juice. You want to add about 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, or about the juice of 1 lemon. Now I'm just squeezing in my lemon juice, doing my arm workout of the day. And then we're gonna let this cook for about 15 more minutes and let it simmer down. And you want your jam to reach 220 degrees Fahrenheit, and then you can take it off the heat. Are any of you wondering why you want your jam to get to 220 degrees? Well, let me tell you. The reason is, at that point, the sugar becomes a gel that bonds with the pectin in the fruit. And that's why you get that jelly consistency. Also, at this point, if you want to mash down your strawberries, do it and just go to whatever consistency you like. And I think my jam is done. I'm so excited to try it. Now at this point, I can take my jam off the heat and pour it into a container. This isn't a huge batch of jam, so if you want more, feel free to double the recipe. One of my favorite ways to have my strawberry jam is on a bowl of vanilla ice cream. So that's what we're gonna do today. Ooh, and look at that great consistency. I love it. This looks absolutely delicious. Oh, I can't wait to try it. Gotta get a lot of jam. Wow, it's so amazing. The ice cream, it almost turns into strawberry ice cream. It's so good. If you want to use this jam in another recipe that's absolutely delicious and full of strawberries, you should check out my strawberry milkshake. It'll be in the description down below, or right over here, or over here. Thank you all so much for watching, and I hope to see you next week. Bye now. I have to go eat a lot of ice cream and jam.